drive. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jewlee Beautee, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. This is a soft Valentine's Day glam. You guys been wanting a soft one because I know I did like a colorful, like pink and purple, which is like, you know, something that you don't want to wear every single day. But this one, I feel like it's a little more wearable. Like your boyfriend's not gonna be like, why are you wearing so much makeup? Or maybe he is, unless he's supportive like Oscar. Like he'd just be like, dang, that highlight on fleek. You know, that's what Oscar does. He's like, dang, that highlight though. Like maybe he's just boosting me, I don't know. Maybe he just loves me, I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And also my giveaway will be soon, so make sure you guys subscribe if you guys do want to enter in the little giveaway. There's going to be 2 winners, not 4, 2. So yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I didn't moisturize my face because I wanted to show you guys real quick. What I use is this Dermalogica Active Moist, and it's just a little like cream, but I like it because it helps me with my skin texture. I don't have like really bad skin texture, but I have some. So this is good for oily skin, so I like to like make sure it goes into my nose, because my nose is the only thing, yeah, it's the only thing that actually gets oily. But you always want to moisturize. By the way guys, I don't know what the heck is going on with me. I have these lines right here. Okay, I just woke up from a nap, so I was like, whatever. But then I remembered this morning while I was applying my makeup, it actually did the same thing. So what the heck? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already did the eyeshadow for this eye, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So today I'm taking the 24G palette, which is pretty bomb. You guys get your hands on it. Look at how humongous the pans are. They're like as big as my face. Anyways, I don't know if this is really useful, the little plastic thing that has the names and stuff, but I guess. Okay, so I'm taking this shade, which is Frenchy. This one right here. And I'm going to put that into my crease. Oh, by the way, that was using a Morphe M518 brush. Now I'm gonna take a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm taking Glitz, which is the most fieriest. I'm just applying that on the outer corner. And then once I have a little bit of product on my brush, I'm going to soup it in here and try to buff it out. And I am kind of winging it just a little bit, like outwards. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my lid a little bit. It's not going to be a cut crease, but since I have hooded eyelids, I always cut my lid because it just helps me create my own little eyelid. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Coastal Scents brush. It's just a small little packer brush. And I'm going to take Glitz on this. And I'm just going to, well actually I'm mixing, I don't like this. I'm mixing Glitz and a little bit of this shade right here, which is Dream. And I'm just applying that on the outer part. And then bringing it in kind of on my lash line. And I'm gonna mix these 2 shades right here, the lightest shades, this one and this one. They're called Crystal and Glazed. And it's just on the tip of my brush, by the way. And now I'm going to apply that to wherever there's space right there with that concealer. You see that right there? That's where I'm going to apply this. Now I'm going to go back in with the M433 and kind of blend that out a little bit. I'm taking the RG18 brush, which is just a little small crease brush, and I'm gonna deepen up my outer V a little bit with Brew. This one right here. And I'm just, what eye was I doing? Oh, this eye. And I'm just gonna apply that right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, apply some foundation, and then I'll come back to do the lower lashes. Okay, so I wanted to do the highlight on camera because you know that is my favorite. Okay, we're gonna try this one, the Tarteist Pro Gow Palette, and I'm gonna take, not those, I'm gonna take Stunner. They should have just called it Stunner, to be honest. But I'm gonna take Stunner, and I'm just gonna tap in a little bit to strobe. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray my face, just to let that highlight sink into my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna use two brushes for this. So the first brush I'm taking is the Y20 brush, and I'm going to take Frenchie. And then with this Morphe pencil brush right here, I'm gonna take Glitz, which is that matte cranberry shade in the palette. And I'm just applying that right on the lower lashes. And then blending it out with the Y20. And that's about it. We're gonna do at the bottom. And then for inner corner highlight, let's see what we're gonna do today. I cleaned up my brushes last night, so be proud of me because I've never sat down and cleaned every single brush. Usually I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna clean the dirty ones, but today I cleaned everything. I mean, last night I cleaned everything. So I'm taking Stunner, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics 142 brush. It's just like a little packing brush, and I'm just gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. And the lashes that I'm gonna wear today are, I'm gonna take the Miss lashes. They're these right here, and these are in the style FM40. Those are the ones that I'm gonna apply on my lids. Whoa, where else, girl? And I'm also going to use that highlight and put it on my brow bone, right under my brow bone, and blend it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, apply some lashes, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied the lashes, and I also started my lip combo, and then I forgot to record it. So I'm using this NYX Nude Beige, and I am going to apply the Makeup Forever lip gloss. It's called Artist Plexi Gloss in 201. And you want to have a gloss because if you're going to be like kissing your man, or like, even if you're single, you still need a gloss because you need to, like, I don't really have an idea why people wear lip gloss when they're single. I'm just making stuff up, okay? Popping. And I would apply some earrings, but I don't have any, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. This is my last Valentine's video, but I do want to do a look inspired by Valentine's Day, even though this video is gonna go up, is up right now, which today is Valentine's Day. But I wanted to do this little thing that I wanted to do, and even if it's not Valentine's Day anymore, I'm still gonna do it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for another Valentine's Day look. And yeah, you guys wanted this soft glam, so you got it. I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also make sure you guys click the post notification button so that you guys can be notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You wearing the costume sheet.
My career taking off. It's so dark in the place where these hoes on they know me. Only beat, but be popping on the charts.
I just need some time. Please don't call my phone.